Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and that is Olympus Mons. And today I'll come up with a solution that's how to solve this. Rate the video heat app, and I'm ready to qualify for this. I'm ready to take this test, and hope uh, it'll be helpful for you. Okay, so let's jump to the qualification. Okay, so 2 attempts left, and there will be 10 hits in this qualification test. So let's go to the qualification page. Okay, so it has videos, several videos, and you have to rate that videos. Okay, so let's go to this one first. Let's watch this. Uh, beyond before submitting, you have to watch all these videos, so you can skip, right? Just for example, like this. If you submit like this, no, you cannot submit, right? Okay, so to see all these videos before, well, I can be able to go to the next video. Okay, let's
India also hosts several festivals and events that celebrate art and culture, such as the Indie Fringe, the Iteljorg Indian Market and Festival, and the Stutz Artists Open House. Whether you're a fan of classical or contemporary art, or just looking for some inspiration and creativity, you'll find it in India's amazing art scene.
Okay, so that's the end of the video. So only after you have seen the whole video, you can go to the next one. So let's submit it. Okay, so there's nothing offensive in this. It's really informative, and it's also interesting. So it'll give you 4 star and the 5 star. This, if you do not select this, you cannot submit it. So you have to select this. Okay, let's submit. Okay, so this is the next video. Okay, it's about cat images. All these images are taken from cat images. So it is interesting. Okay, not much interesting, and it's not much information. I'll give one, but it's not actually offensive. Okay, so I'll select this first one and submit. Okay.
Darius Smith is a star NFL linebacker who plays for the Packers. He trains hard and eats well to maintain his strength and speed. Here's his workout routine and diet plan. Smith works out 4 to 5 times a week, doing explosive, strength, and speed exercises. He uses tires, sledgehammers, and sleds, and also does core, agility, and sprinting drills. Darius Smith works with his team's nutritionist to follow a balanced and healthy diet that supports his performance and recovery. He stays hydrated and uses electrolytes and protein shakes as needed. He gets his protein from lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy, and his carbs from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. He avoids processed foods, added sugar, and alcohol. Smith limits processed foods, sugar, and alcohol, adds spices and herbs. 9. Hydrates well. Smith's workout diet keeps him fit, strong,
So
motivated.
this video is going about
Hard.
Smith's daily life. So it's interesting, yeah, and yes, informative, not as much that. It's not offensive. Okay, so submit. Oh, that's about Lunar eclipse. That's interesting. But we all got his cat images. That's interesting. Okay, but not much informative. And it's not offensive. That's lunar eclipse. Okay, so let's submit. No, I did not. Okay, now I can submit. Okay. That's about SCP.
That contains and studies anomalous entities and phenomena. But did you know that the game is full of hidden secrets and references to the SCP universe and beyond? Here are some of the most interesting ones. SCP-173, a neck-snapping statue in the game, is based on a real sculpture by Izumi Kato called Untitled 2004. SCP-106, a wall-clipping monster in the game, is based on a real photo of a World War I soldier with a horrific facial wound. The photo was taken by Dr. Reed B. Fontaku and is in a health museum. Wearing SCP-714, a ring that protects you from some SCPs, lets you talk to SCP-079, the computer that runs the facility, in a secret ending. SCP-087, a dark endless staircase